In today's video, I'll show you how to zoom out a picture in Canva. Whether you want a better view of your image or just need to adjust the focus of your design. This is a simple skill that makes a big difference. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project and locate the image you want to adjust. If you haven't uploaded it yet, click on the Uploads tab in the left menu, choose Upload Files, and select your picture from your computer. Now, click directly on the image. This highlights it and activates the editing toolbar at the top of your screen. In the toolbar, look for the option to adjust zoom. It's usually part of the crop or adjust tools and looks like a circle icon with sliders. Use the slider to zoom out. Dragging it to the left lets more of your picture fit into the canvas, while dragging right zooms in for close-up details. Take your time adjusting until the composition feels just right. Once you've zoomed out, you can also drag your picture around inside the frame to center it or highlight the part you want to show. When you're happy with the adjustment, click Done to confirm. Don't forget to save your work. Canva usually autosaves, but clicking save is always a good habit. And that's it. You now know how to zoom out a picture in Canva. This little trick gives you more flexibility for layouts, whether you're designing social posts, presentations, or creative projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.